Welcome to the Chimpanzee video series. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to integrate Chimpanzee with Koala Call Sheets to create stunning, professional-looking call sheets for your production. Chimpanzee allows you to import your screenplay and create scenes. Attach those scenes to shoot days, create actors and crew, and add elements to scenes, such as props, costumes, and set dressing. It also allows you to create over 20 reports ranging from breakdown summaries, actor lists, crew lists, top sheet reports for your budget, and a call sheet. Koala Call Sheets is a separate program that allows you to add a lot more information to your call sheet and choose from different preset templates. It also allows you to email your call sheet directly from Koala Call Sheets to your cast and crew. So let's take a quick tour of how to export call sheet information into Koala Call Sheets. This lesson assumes you have watched the previous 3 lessons and you have a schedule already loaded into Chimpanzee. If not, use the sample time travel schedule that comes preloaded into Chimpanzee. To export a Koala Call Sheet file, select the Shoot Days button from the toolbar. Select the Koala Call Sheets button. Select the Export button. Chimpanzee will save a Koala Call Sheet file in the saved Koala Call Sheets folder. So let's find that folder on your hard drive. Quit or hide Chimpanzee. Go to the Applications folder if you are on a Mac, and inside the Chimpanzee folder, you will find a saved Koala Call Sheets folder. Inside this folder, you will find the exported file from Chimpanzee. Notice it has an underscore KOA.FMP12 extension. If you are on Windows, the Chimpanzee folder installs in the root C drive. Next, launch Koala Call Sheets. To load this file, select Load Call Sheet from the File menu, then select Load Call Sheet File. Navigate to the Chimpanzee folder, and then to the saved Koala Call Sheets folder. Select the file, then click Choose, and the new project is loaded. This creates a new project in Koala Call Sheets. Here are the shoot days that were imported directly from your Chimpanzee schedule. Let's select the first shoot day. Anything we do here will affect this shoot day only. If we click on the Scenes button, we will see scenes for this shoot day. And as you can see, they are the same as in Chimpanzee. Now you can add a scene here if you want. However, any information you add or modify in Koala Call Sheets will not be reflected in your Chimpanzee schedule. To add a scene here, just click on the green Add button. You can also delete a scene by selecting the red X button. Again, deleting a scene here does not delete the scene in Chimpanzee. The import from Chimpanzee into Koala Call Sheets is a one-way, one-time import. Let's take a look at some of the things we can do here that we cannot do in Chimpanzee. Select the Weather button. If you are connected to the internet, you can access weather and sunrise/sunset information without leaving Koala Call Sheets. Enter the zip code or the city and state to access up-to-date information. Same with sunrise/sunset information. You can also change the URLs to go anywhere you want on the web. The Notes button allows you to enter 4 sections of notes. The first tab, Notes, imports the note information from Chimpanzee. Let's check that right here. The next 3 tabs are called Special Notes. This allows you to enter up to 3 more note lines on your call sheet. For example, let's say you want a note at the top of the call sheet that says this: I want this bold and centered. Then you want another note after the cast section that says this: I want this bold and underlined, and let's even say italicized. Okay, let's see how that looks. Let's close out of this window and select the Preferences button. Here you can specify lots of preferences on how you want your call sheet to print. Notice up here is the order of the blocks. If I want the first special note to print first, select it for the number 1 slot. Then I want scenes to print here, then cast. Now then remember I wanted special notes number 2 after cast. Let's put crew here. You can arrange the order of these blocks in any way you want. The shot information, let's put here in slot number 13. Okay, so remember the order: special notes number 1, scenes, cast, special notes number 2, then crew. Close out the Preferences window and let's build a call sheet. Click on the Create Call Sheet button. Select any one of the templates. Let's take a closer look at this call sheet. Here is the special notes number 1 at the top of the call sheet, followed by the scene information, then the cast, and then the special notes number 2. To print this call sheet, select the Print button. To close this call sheet and cancel printing, select the Close button. Let's look at hospital and parking. To add hospital and parking information to your call sheet, select either of these buttons. Click on the green Add button to add a hospital. You can enter the hospital address and phone if desired. Hospital info is usually printed in the header of a call sheet. Once again, in Preferences, you can decide whether or not to print hospital and parking on your call sheet. Let's now take a look at call times. In Chimpanzee, you can enter only 1 call time. However, in Koala Call Sheets, you can enter call times for breakfast, first shot, meals, last shot, and camera and crew wraps. You can enter each call time individually, or you can use Koala's Smart Call Time feature. This allows you to modify the main call time here, which will automatically enter many of the other call times. This section is considered shot information. If you go back to Preferences, you can see that this is a block. You can tell Koala where you want this information to print, or you can not print it at all by selecting Skip. At any time, if you want to go back to the default block order, just click this button. Atmosphere and stand-ins is another feature in Koala Call Sheets. Atmosphere, also referred to as extras, allows you to enter this information here. Select the green Add button to add an atmosphere record. You can also enter a note for this record. Select the Scheduled button to schedule this atmosphere for this shoot day. Then enter a call time for this atmosphere if desired. Let's add a stand-in. A stand-in is an actor that literally stands in for a principal actor for lighting and blocking. Select the green Add button to add a stand-in. Enter the actor name and who they are standing in for. Just like Atmosphere, select the Scheduled checkbox to schedule the stand-in for this shoot day. Then enter a call time if desired. Let's see how this looks on a call sheet. As you can see, Atmosphere and Stand-in appear here on the bottom of the screen. A very powerful feature of Koala Call Sheets is the Custom Entry feature. This allows you to enter custom entries on your call sheet in an Excel type format with anywhere from 1 to 6 columns and as many rows as you want. I'm going to demonstrate this by creating a custom entry for radios, which are usually needed on a set. To create a custom entry, select the green Add button and enter a name for the custom entry. Specify the number of columns for this entry and click OK. The header row is already created. I'm going to enter radios again for the A column. To create a row, select the green Add button on the right-hand side of the screen. I'm going to enter 1 ADs. This signifies that channel 1 is reserved for the ADs. Tab to the next column and enter the next channel, and etc. down the row. Let's see what this looks like on our call sheets. It's on the second page, so let's go there. And here you can see the format of this entry looks exactly like the custom entry screen. Let's go back to the custom screen. Just a couple of things to notice here. You can specify how many columns you want for each custom entry. You can also specify how to sort the custom entries. And lastly, a very powerful feature, you can copy a custom entry to another shoot day. Since this is just an overview of Koala Call Sheets, we are not going to go over every feature, so check out some of the really cool features, such as emailing a call sheet directly from Koala Call Sheets. This is explained in detail in Lesson 10, and also how to send text notifications to cell phones in Lesson 11 of the Koala Call Sheet video series. I hope this overview of Koala Call Sheets gave you a basic understanding of the huge flexibility and power Koala Call Sheets can bring to creating stunning and professional call sheets. To learn more about Koala Call Sheets, check out the Koala Call Sheets video series. That wraps up this lesson. Have a great shoot!